Hey guys, what's up? It's Lexy. Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today's video is going to be part 2 to the ramen noodle challenge, and I am so nervous to film this because it's 2 times as spicy as the first one, and we all saw how well I did with the first one, but I came way more prepared, so hopefully this goes a little bit better. If you guys like challenges and want me to do more, give me a thumbs up so that I know, and comment down below which challenges you guys want to see. And if you like this video and want to see more videos from me, was that my mom? I think so. Okay, starting over. If you like this video and you want to see more videos from me, you should click that subscribe button and click the notification bell because YouTube might not notify you even if you're subscribed. Also, check out the rest of my social media linked down below. Let's get into the challenge by going to the kitchen and cooking this ramen. This is it. 2 times as spicy. Look at that. Get started with the video because my battery died, but I took the camera off the tripod already, so we're going to go to the kitchen and cook up the 2 times spicy ramen. I am so nervous for this. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Also, yes, I am wearing the same shirt. I'm just too lazy to change it, guys. It's too much effort, okay? Also, as I told you guys in the first video, it's really hard to find the ramen for the challenge in a 1-pack. So I will link it down below for you guys because I had trouble finding it. All they had was like 5 packs and 10 packs. I do not want a 5-pack of these ramens. That is not what I want. I will link down below the 1-packs that I bought. If you guys try out this challenge, let me know in the comments, tweet me, post it on Instagram, tag me, let me know. I want to see you guys do this challenge, so I'm tagging all of you guys to do this challenge. I genuinely like spicy things, but sometimes there's a limit to how much spice you can take. Okay, enough procrastinating. I need to go boil water. You guys, look at this ramen. It has a literal bomb on the front of it. Oh my god. Ah! I dropped some noodle. Spices. We're gonna put it in. It's really hard to do this one hand. It's like broken up into pieces. It says 5 minutes, but I don't really know if I want to put it in that long. The noodles were kind of mushy. Maybe we'll put them in for less. According to the directions, the soup, which I can only guess is this one because I'm not in English. Try and open it. All right, let's try the other side. There we go. Okay. Look at that. I can like smell the heat already. You can like really feel the heat, you guys. Whew. So now time for the flakes. That's like seaweed or something. I don't really know. These noodles really stick together. See, look at that. It's like all stuck together on the fork. All right, so this is what the ramen looks like. Looking very spicy. All right, guys, so we're back. I got my cheese, pizza blend, finely shredded cheese. I've heard milk and dairy products kind of tone down the spice, which I have obviously tested out a little bit. Clearly, there's not much cheese left. I also have some juice in here because water makes it 100 times worse. And last but not least, we got the ramen. Here it is, looking very spicy. We're gonna get started. My nose is running and I'm already sweating. I haven't even started yet. So unlike last time, I am going to try and finish all of it as best as I can. Not that I didn't really do that in the last one, but I kind of gave up. Probably doesn't make sense because it's like the twice as spicy one. Here it is. Look at that, look at that. Here we go. Brace yourselves. I wanted to wait until it cooled down a little bit. Don't pause, don't pause. Pausing makes it worse. Oh my god. I think my nose is running. I'm sweating a lot. Oh my god. This isn't even me being dramatic. Oh my god. Oh my god. I did it. Oh my god. When you stop, it gets worse. My mouth is on fire. I can't believe I did it. I think maybe I was just more prepared than I was for the first one. And that's why I was able to eat the whole thing. I can like barely talk. I need more juice. My stomach really doesn't like me after this, and the taste is still on my lips. Alright guys, so that was my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos from me, subscribe and turn on the bell. Check out my other social media in the description. Oh my god. In the description. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I need to get the taste out of my mouth. And yes, I'm wearing pajama pants. Hello. My lips are in so much pain. Oh my god. Look at this. God, y'all. The aftermath of that. The aftermath of that. I can't even talk. My nose is running like profusely. My lips burn. I mean, they look really good, like I had lipstick on, but like no. My heart is beating really fast. My stomach doesn't feel the best. Brushing my teeth really made the taste kind of go away. That's good, but I can barely talk, and my makeup is surprisingly not running down my face as much as I thought it would, and I didn't cry, so we can categorize that as a success. But I can barely talk, so I'm gonna stop. I really cannot believe I just did that. So many things going through my mind right now. So many like feelings of regret. Can't believe I did it, you guys. I went through all that torture. Give this video a thumbs up. My makeup still looks pretty good. I mean, I look sweaty, but that doesn't look any different than what I would normally look like at the end of the day. I mean, my lips wouldn't burn, but obviously. My heart is beating so fast. Oh my god. Like, my heart literally feels like it's beating out of my chest. You guys, am I getting a heart attack? Is this gonna give me a heart attack? If this gives me a heart attack, this better give me a lot of views and likes. Give this video a thumbs up because I just tortured myself for 6 minutes. It took me 6 minutes to eat that whole thing. When you think about it, 6 minutes really wasn't that long. I can't believe I did it. I don't know if the aftermath was worth it because it, like, my heart is beating so fast. Oh my god. I feel like I need to lie down or something. It is also 1:21 p.m. right now, and the sun is starting to come out. It was super cloudy and gray this morning when I started filming, and now it's not. So tell me in the comments if any of you guys look at highlighter and are just like, think it's sweat. Because that's what highlighter looks like to me. And like, I'm sweating like right here, up here. And I feel like that's where you put highlighter. If you are always into like the natural glow makeup, and I'm just like, you guys all look like you're sweating. Look at this. My lips look literally sore from doing this challenge, guys. They look sore. They look and feel really sore. Look who finally decided to show up. Come here. Hi. You finally decided to come here, huh? Say hello to your fans. Okay. okay. He doesn't want to. That's okay. Look at that little face. Okay, that was my phone. I am obsessed with my dog. Let me know if you're obsessed with your dog or dogs in general like I am. If you guys follow the vlog channel, you would know. Obsessed with dogs. Obsessed with my dog and other people's dogs. Just dogs of all kinds. Any dog that I see on the street, I'm just like, there's a dog! My mom gets so annoyed, but like, I don't care. I'ma do me.